Hello and welcome to this video introduction of Malpesa BIMobjects, now available for download from the BIMobject cloud. Malpesa is a leading manufacturer of facing bricks and ceramic pavers. In each product page, all the relevant information about the product can be found, as well as links to the manufacturer's website, which provides detailed technical information about the product. The Region tab displays a list of countries where that product can be specified, and Properties provide additional information such as available finishes and sizes, applications, etc. The contact details of the sales representative in your region is also displayed on the product page. All of Malpesa's BIM objects are available for Revit and ARCHICAD, both in English and Spanish. Let's start with Revit. Revit objects have been developed as building materials. Along with the Revit file, you'll need to download the materials and texture files as well. The note at the bottom right of the sheet shows the default path where the texture files must be copied. Each material is linked to its own product page. Malpesa's building materials for Revit include a surface pattern and links to Malpesa's website and BIMobject product page. In order to transfer all this information correctly, you'll need either to copy the sample walls and paste them into your project or to import materials with the Transfer Project Standard tool. Moving on to ARCHICAD, we'll need to download all three objects available: the GSM sample object, the AAT or attributes file, and the texture file. Then, we must link the folder where we have stored our textures and sample objects to the project by clicking on File, Libraries and Objects, Library Manager, and then selecting the folder. The sample GSM objects contains product descriptions and technical data, as well as instructions on how to use the attributes file and links to the manufacturer and BIMobject product page. To add Malpesa product attributes to our project, we need to open the Attribute Manager. Click on Options, then Element Attributes, then Attribute Manager. Then open the AAT file of the product we want to use in our project. After that, we must select all the attributes and transfer them by index. We will do the same thing with the pavers we have previously downloaded and then save changes. We are now ready to start designing with Malpesa products. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.